Hi everyone, I am Dhyani and I have just completed my first year of BTech in Bioinformatics. A year ago, when I was struggling to find reliable information about BTech Bioinformatics, so today I am creating this video to share my first year experience with my juniors and prospective students to make informed decisions about this course. So let's discuss what is bioinformatics. So the bioinformatics is all about coding or all about biology? No. Bioinformatics is a field where we use computers to understand biology. You can also think of it as a place where biology and coding they both will go hand in hand to solve real world problems like finding disease causing genes, designing a new drug and studying evolution. Now let's discuss who can join bioinformatics. To get into this course, you need to complete your 12th standard with science stream. That means subjects like physics, chemistry and biology or mathematics also. I am doing bioinformatics from Marwadi University and in my college both PCM and PCB students are eligible for this course. So there is no entrance exam is required. So now hope you guys are clear with the eligibility criteria. So the next question is, why did I choose BTech in bioinformatics? Many universities in India is providing BSc in bioinformatics, but Marwadi University, which is in Gujarat and that too in Rajkot, is providing BTech in bioinformatics, which really stood out to me. And the second reason is I was a PCB student and I knew one thing for sure that I love biology and I didn't want to leave that behind. And at the same time I didn't want to go for MBBS and I wasn't too excited about doing a regular BSc degree. And I wanted to do something that kept biology as the main subject, and that's when I found BTech in bioinformatics, which is a complete blend of biology and programming. And at that time I felt like it's a right path for me. So, talking about the experience, when I first joined the university a year ago, they told us that this course is designed for both PCM and PCB students. So, if you are not from the math background, then also you will be able to manage. So, in the first semester, we have a mixture of subjects like biology, basic mathematics, C programming, physics, and wet lab for biology. Then came the second semester where it got a bit more intense. Analytical bioinformatics, matrices in mathematics, dry lab for biology, then Java programming, and digital electronics. So, at first, I'll be honest, it wasn't easy. There was even a point when I seriously thought about leaving the stream because I felt like I couldn't handle it. So, but slowly I started adapting and kept pushing through. And by the end of the semester, I had not only survived but also scored a good CGPA. So now I have started enjoying this field a lot, and the yes, the beginning was tough, but by the time the things fell into place and when I looking back, I genuinely feel like choosing the BTech bioinformatics was a good decision rather than going for MBBS or a basic BSc degree. So, what are my final thoughts about bioinformatics is if you are someone who is confused or struggling to decide whether to choose BTech bioinformatics or not, then from my side, it's a complete green signal. Yes, the beginning might feel a little overwhelming, especially if you are from a PCB student like me. And but if you are someone who loves biology and ready to learn some programming and tech along the path, then you will end up loving this program. So don't be afraid to take the leap. You might just end up loving it like I did. So just go ahead. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video informative, then please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.